Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm coming back to work on my side panel and I'm gonna try to redesign it. So when I made this panel, actually some of my friends were asking me and were concerned why I made it so big, but I always try to think that I have a plan, a multiple step plan ahead with certain designs that I want to make in the future, and I feel like and I hope that this was one of them. The reason why, because I always wanted to reposition these canisters lower and on top add more storage. In this truck there is not a lot of storage places, so I'm trying to use any places I can. So let me show you guys. So I picked up this Vault case by Pelican. It's actually a carrying case with a handle and the wheels, but I'm not gonna use any of that. And this is actually I picked up from Facebook for a fraction of the price, so I was very happy when I saw it. I jumped on it right away and I picked it up. So my plan is to relocate these canisters lower over here, and this case gonna be up there like that. At least that's a plan. Let's see how that's gonna work out or not. So I'm actually gonna remove this part over here, this base. There might be some plastic sticking out, so I might gonna have to cut it. The reason why I don't want this to stick out too much, so this is like almost an inch over here, it's gonna be shorter. So let's take this out. And okay, all the bolts are out. Yeah, so like I was thinking, this is gonna be sticking out, but I think I'm just gonna cut this off. Just gotta be careful not to penetrate the plastic. Alright, and this is all out, and by cutting this and by removing this I reduce almost 1.5 inches of space over here, so that's pretty good. So now my next step is to start removing all of this, remove these studs and start reconfiguring the whole setup over here. Okay guys, so everything is disassembled, so now I can start working with this, see where I'm gonna position the box, which has to be somewhere over here, something like that. I mean, I wish it was longer, but I don't want it to be too long anyways, so I think that should be pretty good. And now these two are gonna be something somewhere like that. So basically I'm probably gonna start with this all the way at the bottom, and this is gonna be where it's gonna be. So these bolts that hold in the magnets, they actually go inside these grooves over here, so that's pretty good. The only one, this one, I need to relocate further out to clear it, but other than that, everything else should be good. So now once again, I'm gonna mark where I gotta make the new holes for the studs, and I'm gonna drill it, and this part is done. Then just gotta worry about this. Now to secure this box is actually gonna be overlapping the two bolts that I have over here. So I'm gonna make a hole through, and then use two brackets for extra support over here. So then I'm gonna have two bolts here and here. So that's how I'm planning to keep it secured. So now I'm gonna mark this all and drill it. Alright, so let's make some holes over here, and let's hope this is gonna work out. Okay, so all the holes are drilled. So now I'm gonna try to assemble all of this. Hopefully it's gonna still fit, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so this is relocated, so now it's pretty much I gotta start putting it in place, tighten it with one bolt over here, and then I can start working on mounting the box over here. Okay, let's put this in place. Alright, and now let's mount the box. Let's hope it still matches. Alright guys, so after some struggle over here and the tight spots, the box is secured. Over here I actually put a spacer, a big washer with a rubber grommet, because the plate is curved and I don't want to curve the box, so but I think that's gonna be alright. So now let's close it up. Let's see, make sure it still closes. Perfect. It closes perfect. And it's not going anywhere. So now the last part is to mount the jerry cans. Let's see if they fit. Alright. Alright guys, the box is done. Everything is mounted. And I think it came out pretty good. I think it came out pretty good. Personally I like how it is. Now I have extra storage over here, and to access it, it's pretty easy. Push two levers over here, and boom. And there you go. I have an extra storage inside here. I'm gonna see if the water gets accumulated here. Worst comes to worst, if it's gonna be leaking through here or something, I may just make a couple of holes here. I'm not gonna keep anything over here that might get damaged with water, but we'll see. But I think it came out pretty good. So if you don't want to bother building up the side truck, the one I have, because it takes time, it takes material and everything, and sometimes it's faster, easier and better to buy already made one. So my friend roXterra, he makes a lot of Xterra stuff, and I have my friend today over. We were doing some upgrades to the truck, so he did the right thing and he just bought already made side panel with a panel for the boards as well. And let me tell you guys, this is some quality stuff. Unlike mine, yes it works, but you can tell it's DIY stuff. This is nice, this is quality stuff, and this is not. And when you think about all the time and material that you need to input to make this, the price you pay for this, it's not too bad. So everything is mounted over here. As you can see, he has his logo over here, roXterra. The boards over here, everything is mounted, everything is nice, and it sits solid. So this is very nice, guys. So I'm gonna leave the link to his website, so you can contact him as well in case you guys ever wanted to have something like that, but you don't have a shop or material to build your own. This is a great option. And besides this, he makes us skid plates out of aluminum and a lot of other stuff, so check him out.
And as always, if something happens, for some reason the last portion of the video got lost, so now I have to do a voiceover recording, and excuse me, I'm also sick today, so it's not helping either. But anyways, alright guys, another project successfully done. I think it came out pretty great. I mean, it's not that hard to do, but it just takes time and material. But like I said before, if you don't have a material, there is an option for that. You can always check out my friend roXterra and just get it from him. He will ship it to you, no problem. And he didn't ask me to promote his channel or anything. I just wanted to help him out. On this note, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you might find it helpful. And as always, until next time, everybody bye.